So, here's some ways that you might want to think about, quick ways that you can start monetizing your channel. And one way is to start buy me a coffee. There's actually a site called Buy Me Coffee, and I like to call this a love offering, right? This is where people can support you and say thank you for the awesome information, and they will. I think it's like they can send you $5, or I think that's how it works. But this is where I first started, was doing Buy Me Coffee. I consider it a love offering. So they can just pay you for the knowledge that you provide, but you have to provide the link for them to do that. The second way is offering digital products. Now, all you have to do is put the link to your digital products in the description. Make sure the digital products are related to what you are talking about, okay? Because I was talking to coaches, my digital products were like how to start your coaching business. It was like courses, how to start your course, how to get that, because I knew that's what coaches were thinking about. So my digital products were really like ebooks, nothing major, nothing that took a lot of time to create. But if you're a Coach Academy member, Coach Simplify Academy member, then you already have your first digital product ready to go, okay? And then another way was doing affiliate programs, and I use Amazon Associate. We are always referring products anyway, recommending products. So I join an Amazon associate, and when I talk about certain things, like what my camera I was using, my webcam I was using, the mic, etc., then I will put the link to those tools in my description. And if someone bought, then I would make a commission off of that, a real small commission. But that's ways that you can quickly monetize your channel right from the beginning. So if you don't know about Buy Me a Coffee, go and look it up right now. Write it down in your notes. If you don't have a digital product, create a digital product. Start off with an ebook. It's really easy to get started with that, or an audio program. I think that's really easy to start. And then if you have some followers on your social media platform, then I would say definitely join Amazon Associates as well, okay? And there's some other affiliate programs out there. I think Walmart has an affiliate program, Target has an affiliate program, etc. So do your research and find out what other platforms, other retail stores that you probably shop at, that have some type of an affiliate program, so that you can join and you can start just making recommendations. You can actually start doing videos talking about the products that you're using, and then share the links. So those will be ways that you can monetize your channel right from the beginning, okay?